Hey guys, so welcome to another class of TradingView. So in the last class, we have studied about how we are going to open an account, and in this class, we will understand how to install TradingView app or desktop assistant app. It's very important because you can see in this video that whenever you open TradingView in a browser, right? So this much space it is taking, right? So this much space it will take this much space, fine. But if you I'll just minimize it and you see a lot many space you are getting in an app. This is the app. I've already installed it, but I'll explain you in this video how I'm going to install this app. So just go to Google and type out Trading View desktop app. Fine. So here you'll click, and if you have got Windows, then Windows, that is your operating system is Windows or Mac, you can download accordingly. Click on here. For example, mine is Windows, so I'll click here. So here you see there is a download is going on, and let it get downloaded. See, it is very, my net is fast, that's why it is getting downloaded very quick. So you must have a fast internet. Internet need to be faster so that you can trade effectively. So here you see this, that Trading View, and I will just double click it, and you see this is appearing. I will reinstall. It is asking reinstallation because already I have installed it. The app is installed. So after installing it, you will just launch it. So once I am just closing it. So once you install it, thereafter, I'll minimize it. So these all apps, this kind of app, it is going to appear here. Fine. So I have multiple charts. That's how it was popping up here. Whenever I'm hovering my cursor over this, like this. So now you see here, this is the desktop application you are seeing here, and these are the candlesticks you are seeing. These are the volumes. So I will teach you and I'll orient you properly so that you do not have any doubt while operating Trading View. Fine. So you see, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis of Trading View. Y-axis comprises of the prices, fine, and x-axis comprises of the time, fine. So, and to the left vertical side, you can see the drawings, various drawings and emojis you'll find here. So all these we are going to learn how to utilize them. Fine. Okay. To the top, this vertical line or vertical bar you are seeing here, sorry, horizontal bar that you are seeing here, this one comprises of the time. I'll explain you each and every one how to add times. I'll explain you those also. Then I will, this is the bars, type of bars that you want: candlesticks bars, this is hollow bars, volume candles bars, this is recently being added, line charts, right? This is Heikin-Ashi, Renko. Okay, and here comes the indicator, like what all indicators you are going to utilize. My scripts, invite only, purchased. So this is the indicator one, and here you are getting indicator templates, how to utilize these. That also I'll explain you: alert, replay, do, undo button. And here you will be creating a profile, how you'll create a profile. Fine. This is the settings, and here coming to this is full screen mode. See, now this will appear, everything is gone, right? You see here, and how big it is looking. See, end to end, even diagonal, this diagonal, if you will see huge, the charts are clear in full screen mode. You just press escape button and you'll back to the position. I just escaped, push the escape button in my keyboard, and I'm back to normal again. This is a screenshot that you can take. Trade, if you are integrated with any kind of broker, then you can take directly trades from here. If you have integrated Trading View with API with any of the broker, that will also facilitate you. Here comes the some additional features, facets, attributes that will help us to sail through in the Trading View. So bit by bit I'll explain you. And this is the profile, that is this is Stock Gurukul, my name, all of you know it, that's how you are watching my channel. And here you go to the profile, you click on the profile, you get this. These are my indicators and strategies that I've made. This is a volume SG indicator that we'll be utilizing in our chart. This is BPD17, a 7 cluster of 7 moving averages. Same, this is the same one, there's no difference in both of them. So I launched twice, that's how, and it's not getting deleted. I tried it not many times, but anyways, that is secondary. So you can use the scripts also from here. You can hit your like button if you like it. You can boost it and recommend other people's also to utilize these. Okay, I'm closing it down. Okay, one more thing about your profile and billings. If you see here it is your settings and billings, right? So what is your settings and billings? It will be displaying here. Fine. So you can go and do it accordingly. You can just go like you, whenever you purchase a new mobile, you just keep on scrolling into its applications, and so you can do so in this. So whenever you can fiddle it around, you will get to know a lot many things about the trading view, especially the billing and settings and all sorts things. But I will explain you how to set up the chat for trading. That is how we are conducting this class. So I hope you could make out or understand how to install the desktop applications. The general orientation is clear. What is there in the x-axis, the y-axis, and what is the top vertical line comprises of the horizontal line comprises of. This is a vertical line. What it comprises of, right? So now we will, in the next class, we will understand each and every aspects one by one in the trading view. Thanks guys for bearing with me. I hope you enjoyed. Please do hit like, share and subscribe button and share with your friends so that they can also gain knowledge and be well versed with the trading view. Thank you guys.